How to get unbanned from TikTok when under 30. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make your TikTok account unbanned if you are using it under 13. So the very first step is to go on the Google Chrome and search for TikTok account safety, and you will see the TikTok help center, and when you tap on this you will see the option of reporting. But you can also report the problem from your TikTok application. Just go on your TikTok. After you go on your TikTok, on the top right side you will see 3 vertical lines right there. After tapping on this, just scroll down and down up until you see the option of report a problem. After tapping on the option report a problem, it will load you an interface, and in that interface you should again scroll down and see the option of submit a problem right there, which is on the left side. Here is the option of submit a problem. When I tap on this, I can just submit my problem right here by explaining it to the TikTok. So I can just say that how to unban my TikTok when I've been using it under 13. So what you can also do is you can also provide the photos or videos right here so that the TikTok can have more information about your problem, and just tap on the submit button right here and the TikTok will give you feedback after a few days, and then your problem will be solved just like that. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.